Okay, we're trying something different this time, so we're going to actually show you the flower this time and identify it via video. So as you can see, this is definitely the violet. These are violets. You can see the flower and the leaves. So the leaves actually have mucilage. So if you chew the leaves, if you actually chew the leaves, this is a very edible flower, the flower as well as the leaf. And if you chew the leaf, it actually has mucilage. And mucilage is a substance that kind of coats your digestive system. It's very high in vitamin C. And it's really a nutritive kind of herb. And we use it basically, use it in your salads. You can use the flowers in your salads as an edible arrangement. And you can also make tea. So when you make a tea, if you use the flowers, it makes a really sweet, nice tasting tea. If you use the leaves, it actually has kind of a slimy, slippery consistency to it. So violets, this is actually common violets, not the wood violets. As you can see, there's plenty of them out. This is that time of year, violet time of year. Thanks for participating in our What Is It game.